In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed meeting on your site in Zoho Meeting. By the end, you'll have a simple join box on your web page so visitors can enter their email and connect to your session without hunting for a link. First, sign in to your Zoho Meeting account so you can access your scheduled sessions. In the left-hand menu, open My Meetings to see what's already planned. Choose the meeting you want people to join from your site. Next to the meeting name, look for an option labeled Embed. The interface can vary a little by account, but it's typically right alongside the meeting details. Click it, and Zoho will generate an embed code for that specific session. Copy the entire HTML snippet exactly as shown so the widget loads properly. Now head to your website and paste that snippet into the page's HTML where you want the meeting join box to appear. If you're using a content management system, switch the editor to HTML or code view before pasting. If you're using a site builder, drop it into a custom HTML element. The embed is usually a small block that includes an iframe pointing to Zoho Meeting. You can leave the default settings, or, if your layout needs it, adjust the width and height values so the box fits your design. Just make sure it's placed in the body of the page so it renders in the correct spot. Once embedded, visitors will see a clean join interface. They enter their email address and click Join, and Zoho handles the rest behind the scenes. When the meeting starts, they'll be connected through that same flow. Keep in mind that presenters can't start the session from the embedded box. The host still needs to start it from Zoho Meeting or through a connected calendar. A few notes to keep everything smooth. The Embed Meeting widget is generally available on paid Zoho Meeting plans, so if you don't see the option, that may be why. Each meeting generates a single embed code that you can reuse across multiple pages or sites. And participants don't need a Zoho account to join via your embedded interface, which keeps the experience quick and friendly for guests. If you're running a webinar, Zoho Meeting also lets you embed the registration form directly on your site. Visitors can sign up right there, and once they register, they'll receive their personal join link automatically. That's it. Copy the embed code from your meeting, paste it into your page's HTML, and let Zoho do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.